Hi, my call sign is Fox 1 Alpha Tango Bravo. I present today remote SDR. SDR for software defined radio. Here we have an example where we have a transmitter and a transceiver connected to the QO100 satellite. This remote SDR system is based on a HF part which is localized close to the antenna. You have two SDR, one for the transmitter, one for the receiver, and a signal processing which is done in a Raspberry Pi. Here locally in my office, it's a web browser, it's Chrome, the web browser Chrome, which display all the information we have. So this transceiver, on the bottom here we have the spectra which is covered, the 500 kilohertz which are covered by the system. We have in blue here all the spectra over the 500 kilohertz, and we have at the bottom waterfall, so the history of the signal received by the system. In the central part here we have the receiver parameters, the audio channels around 10.4 gigahertz. You have all the parameters for this audio channel here. On the right side you have the transmitter, the parameter for the transmitter. The transmitter is defined here by these dot lines, the frequency of the transmitter, and the frequency of the receiver of the audio channel for the receiver is this red line here, which is moving because I am in a scan mode where the system is scan automatically the band. On the left part here we have the control of the complete system. We have the flow of data represented here, received from the Raspberry Pi to the web browser here in my office. You have also zoom around the audio channel of the spectra. If I increase the audio level, I have here the temporal representation of the audio channel and the spectral representation of this same audio channel. We have also an S meter here and some preferred frequency which I mentioned here. I have also some additional parameters as equalizer on the receiving part and also an equalizer on the transmitting part. So a lot of parameters, but this presentation should be short. I cannot present everything. Nevertheless, on my website fox1alphatangobravo.fr you have all the details. You have the source code, also the images to burn directly SD card for a Raspberry Pi or an Orange Pi. So 73, thank you, and maybe one day we will discuss together using remote SDR on the satellite QO100, or for example in VHF as I have here on another screen. 73 again.